everyone, welcome to CodeKaroYaaro, India's first online school of computer science. My name is Pearl Gutka and today I am going to teach you about Scratch. I'm going to teach you how to make an animation on Scratch, okay? And the theme will be birthday party. Also, this is our very 5th tutorial, so let's get started. Okay, so let me share my screen. I'm going to share my screen. So we are going to first go to Google and we are going to search for Scratch. You have to open very first link, Scratch Imagine Program Share. Once you open the link, here will be the create option. At the top you have to click on create. So everybody likes birthday parties, right? So today we are going to make an animation related to birthday party, okay? So we are going to learn how to paint sprites for the birthday party, how to put the motion block, how to use the sound block, okay? So let's get started. So our Scratch platform is here now. As you see, there is a cat already there. So you have to delete the cat first, okay? So there is a delete option. You can just click on this delete option and delete the cat. So the very first thing is to paint our sprites. So for the birthday party we need some balloons, right? We need some balloon sprite. So what we will do, we will go here in the option choose a sprite, and there is the third option paint here. In the last tutorial I taught you how you can paint sprites. So today we are going to paint balloons. Okay. So here we can paint our own sprite. Okay, so for the balloon we need to choose the circle shape here, okay, and we have to make a shape like a balloon. I think this is good, okay, and you have to make the ribbon of the balloon. For the ribbon you can go to this paint option here. You can change the color and you can make the ribbon. Okay, so this is one of the balloon. Okay, now I also want the next balloon. Okay, I want more balloons. So again I will go here, choose a sprite. I'll go to the paint option, okay, and I will make another balloon. I will again go to this circle shape, okay. This time the color is pink. Okay, so I'm going to just create this pink balloon, okay, and I will change the color for the ribbon. I'll change some color for the ribbon. Okay, so this is my second balloon. Okay, I also want some other balloons. Okay, so I'm going to go to this paint option. I'm going to click on this circle option. Okay, I will change the color. Okay, I want pastel blue color. So I'm going to put this shape here. I'm going to now change the color for the ribbon. Okay, so let me put the ribbon this color. Okay, so this is my next balloon. I'll put some more balloons to cover up this whole area. Okay, so again you have to do the same thing. Okay, click on this circle shape. Okay, now the balloon is pink, okay, and the ribbon you can always go to the paint option and you can change the color of the ribbon. We will make it as colorful as we can, okay. So I think the ribbon is not that good, so you can click on this undo option, okay, and you can make the ribbon again. You can choose the color. Okay, this color is for the circle shape. Again go to the paint and again change the color. Okay, this looks good. So my fourth balloon is ready. Okay, now I have to make like 3 or 4 balloons more. So I'll go to the paint. I'll change the color of the balloon. This time I'll put yellow. Okay, I'm going to put the ribbon So okay, now I have to create some more balloons. So I'm going to go to choose a sprite and paint option again. Okay, so this is my next balloon, and I'll choose the paint option for the ribbon. So you have to repeat this until you cover the whole area. Okay, so let me put the ribbon the green color. Okay, now I think I'll need 3 more of them. So let's go to the paint again, choose the color for your balloon. You can also make it a little bit thicker so that the area gets covered up faster. If you want to put any design in the balloon, you can put design also. I am making simple balloons. You can do as per your creativity. Okay, I think I'll get one more balloon that will fit in the last part. Okay, now time to make one more balloon. I'll click on this paint option. This color is already done, so I will change the color. Maybe some. Okay, this color is not done, so I'll choose this. Then again go to the paint option and change the color for the ribbon. Okay, so now I think the balloon looks good. Now I have to paint the backdrop. Okay, so I'll go to this backdrop option. Okay, and there is again paint option in the backdrop as well. So you can click on this paint option, and here we can create a good backdrop. Okay, so first of all I want some pastel kind of a backdrop, so I'll put some pastel color. Okay, and I want the outline to be 0, so I'll just put this outline to be 0, and I'll cover this entire thing here. Okay, so this part will be light blue color. Now I'll change the color again to some pastel color, and again I'm going to put the next part. Okay, now I'll again change the color to some pastel color. Maybe, yeah, this one. So again you can create this rectangle shape with the help of square option. Okay, and again you can change the color, pastel color. I think this is already done. Okay, green. So the last part you can cover up with the, okay, outline is 1 right now. I'll just put it to 0. I don't want the outline. Okay, so this is what my backdrop will look like. Okay, we have painted the backdrop also this time, so good it looks, all the pastel colors. Okay, now let's go to choose a sprite and choose our cake. Okay, so go to choose a sprite, and you can always search for cake. Okay, and you can get the cake. Okay, so the cake is here, our balloons are ready. Okay, now we just have to create one more sprite. Okay, we will write there happy birthday. because it's basically the birthday party, right? So you go to the T option and choose some darker color for writing happy birthday. Maybe I'll choose this, okay, and I'm going to write happy birthday, but I don't want this font, so I'll just click on the font and I'll make it like a marker font, okay, and this looks better. Okay, so this is how my project is looking like, okay, and I think it looks really good. So now let's start animating this project, okay. So for the cake, I can move it, okay. I want to move the cake. So for the cake, you have to select cake as sprite first, okay, and the first step is that we are going to go to the events option, okay. So events, and we will click on this option. When green flag is clicked, you have to drag it and put it in the white area. So green flag is basically the play button of our animation, okay. So whenever this green flag will be clicked, then only the animation will be performed, okay. Then we will go to the control option and we will put the forever block, okay, forever. So we will put this forever block, and then I want the cake to move, so I'll go to the motion option, okay. So after going to the motion, I will click on this move 10 steps, okay. So move 10 steps, maybe I'll put, instead of 10, maybe I'll put 7, okay. So it will go a little bit slower, and then I'll scroll down and I have this Iphonage bounce. So whenever it will touch the edge of the bounce, it will bounce back, okay. And set rotation style should be left and right. So let's see. Yes, our cake is moving perfectly fine, okay. Now I want the costume of the cake to be changed, because see here, when we go to the costumes, there are two costumes of the cake, one with the candles lit and one without it. So let's put some good animation here. Again I'll go to the yellow circle, okay. When green flag is clicked, I'll go to the control and forever. Now I want the costume to change, like it will wait for 1 or 0. Let's say 0.7 seconds, and it will change the costume, okay. We will put next costume, okay. Let's see. Yeah, see, the candles are lit, again the candles are blown, lit and blown. It looks good, right? So this is the second step you can do for your animation, okay. First step is moving the sprite, second step is changing the costume, okay. The third step is we can do is go to the yellow circle events, okay. Pick up the code when green flag is clicked, okay, and then go to the control. You can put the forever block here, forever, okay, and here we can change the color of the cake, like it will change the color effect of the cake by 25, okay. So let's see. Yeah, this looks much better now, right? So our cake is changing the color, our cake is changing the costume, it is moving, okay. So the animation looks good. Also we can add one more thing here, because it's the birthday party theme, right? So you can add the birthday party sound, you can add the song, the tune, okay, of the birthday party. So you can go to the sound and you can put start sound birthday, okay. You can put it in forever block, and you can put when green flag is clicked. So now we have done 4 things here. First is that we started the sound of the birthday, then we changed the costume, we moved the cake, and we changed the color effect, okay. So I can hear the sound, okay, it's playing the birthday sound, and once you will do it, you will also be able to hear the sound. Okay, and I got one more idea. We can do is we can also increase and decrease the size of the cake. How? See, here first we will put when green flag is clicked. Okay, then we will go to the control. Okay, and we will put forever. Okay, and then we will put this repeat block. So what is this repeat block? Repeat block means it says repeat 10, means any instruction that you put inside the repeat block will be repeated for the particular amount of time. If you mention here 10, it will only repeat for 10 times. Okay, so it will repeat the instruction, okay, for 10 times, whatever instruction we put here. And the instruction we are going to put is change the size. So I think it's in the looks, and it says change size by 10. Okay, change size by 10, and again we'll put the repeat block down of it, and here we will put change size by -10. That means it will grow bigger, smaller, bigger, smaller. Excuse me. So again you can put change size by -10. Let's see how it works. Yes, it looks so good. We can also make it bigger and check. So this was all about animating the cake, right? Now we are going to animate the backdrop. So also before we animate the backdrop, we also need to animate our balloons. So you have to go to each of the balloon sprite, and we can simply change the color of the balloon. That will look good. So when green flag is clicked, and you can use the forever block also, forever, and then I wanted to change the color effect. So also we can do one thing in our cake. Here instead of repeat 10 times, we can put repeat 20 times. Okay, so that it will make the cake smaller. Yes, so also you can change the color effect of all the balloons here. So when green flag is clicked, we'll put the forever block, and we will put here change color effect by. Okay, so for the third sprite also you can do the same thing. When green flag is clicked, forever, and change color effect by. So you have to repeat the same steps for each and every balloon here. So when green flag is clicked, go to the control, put forever, and you have to put change color effect by. Now the last 3 balloons are left. I'm going to do the same thing again. change color effect by okay. Now last balloon is left, so I'll again go to events, when green flag is clicked, then forever, and then in the looks I'm going to put change color effect by. So once I click on the green flag, it will look something like this. Okay, so this is the animation of our happy birthday okay, theme. And also for the backdrops, you can do one thing. For the backdrops, you can go to the events, when green flag is clicked, okay, and then we can go to the control and put forever, and here also we can change the color effect of the backdrop. Okay, so this is how you can make your animation. Okay, so also right now I am putting the start sound birthday here because it is sounding very much loud, but you can always try it in your computer, okay, and you can adjust the volume also. So now the last sprite happy birthday is left to be animated, right? So here for happy birthday we can do one thing. We will go to this yellow circle events. We will put when green flag is clicked, we will put forever. Okay, and we will put it to let me turn it to 15 degrees, okay, and also I'll put change color effect by. So I'll scroll down and I'll put change color effect by. Okay, so this is how my sprite, my animation is looking, and it looks so good and creative, right? We can also make this rotation a little bit smaller. So we will put here wait 1 second from the control. So it will be a little bit smaller, or not 1 second, maybe we'll put 0.5. Yeah, so this is how my animation looks, and it looks amazing. Right? You can also do one thing, you can add one character also. So go to choose a sprite and go to people. You can add someone who's clapping. Is there anyone who's clapping hands? Let me see. Okay, I don't think so there's any sprite who is clapping hands, but there is a sprite who is dancing. So we'll put this dancing sprite here, and we can always change the costume of this sprite, then it will look like it is dancing. So again we'll go to when green flag is clicked, okay. So the next step, you all know it, what it is. Yes, control and forever. And what do we want? We want to do next costume, right? So we will put next costume, but before that we will put wait 1 second, and we will attach next costume here. So let me see how it really works. Oh yes, the sprite is actually dancing. Okay, if it is changing the costume too slow, you can always, adjust the time. So 0.5, let's see. Yeah, this looks better now, and I think we have done an incredible job. We have made a good animation. Yes. So I hope you will all be able to make this animation. It's so simple, right? So you just have to move the cake. You have to change the size for the cake, okay? You have to put sound, okay? And you have to put the color effect, okay? It's simple. So I hope after watching this tutorial you will all be able to create some amazing happy birthday animations, right? Yes, it looks really good. Let me make it bigger and show you. Yes, it looks good. Even you can add more food items like donuts, okay? Any other food item that is available in Choose a Sprite, okay? So you can also add some gifts, okay? So we also have gifts in Choose a Sprite. Okay, let me search. Yeah, we have the gift. So you can always add this Sprite for more decoration. Okay, so this is how our happy birthday animation looks, and I think it looks absolutely good. Okay, so this is our animation and we have completed the project. Now it's time to save the project. So always you have to click on this save now option, okay, at the top of the screen. So your project will be saved. You have to name your project here in this box, okay? So right now I'm going to write birthday party animation, okay? So once you name the project, you can always watch it whenever you click on your username and you click on the second option, my stuff, okay? Click on the my stuff option and here you will see birthday party animation, and you can click on see inside to watch the animation, okay? If you want to edit the project, you can always edit it. So it is saved in your my stuff folder, okay? So remember, you are always logged in to your account, then only you will be able to save the project, okay? So make sure you are logged into the account. So today we made a fun animation. In the next tutorial we are going to learn more about animations. We are going to make some amazing stories, okay? So we will meet in our next tutorial. Till then, bye everyone.